Okay, so I found this wire laying around, and there should be enough to make it to the front. It already has the ends on for the battery side. Between here, and here's the cables. Pull these down. So we have enough to reach the front. Okay. Now we need to put it to the frame, which I think maybe I'll go over the body mounts. Ow! Ooh. Yikes. Well, that hurt. Eee. Okay. So I wanted to fit through there. Okay. Alright, I got it. Pull this wire. Ow! Man, I'm hurting myself. Yikes. Everything's so sharp under here. Oh, man. He's biting me a lot. There it goes. Going a little easier now. I'm going to leave a little bit out back there. It may not mean, I'm probably going to need that much. Well, let's get this into here. This was easier, this one. I need more. I can pull it through. This one's mean. This one I want to go through. Just jamming it up. Just going through it. I won't go through. Jeez. Up and jammed it up. Oh, there it goes. All right, now and then what I'll probably do is zip tie it to the frame later on. All right, so I'm gonna cut this wire shorter. Right here. Don't need it that long. I don't think it won't go through the hole. Yeah, I could use this one. Alright, the wires are too thick. So, look here. Alright. So, These obviously aren't gonna reach. Well, there's no... I could ground... That's not for a ground, though. Okay, I got these 2 wires here. This is hot. Alright. And I'm gonna need to connect this. So let's cut this here for right now. And I know you're gonna say, why would you do that? I'm gonna wire nut these. And I take this fuel tank in and out of my truck sometimes if I need to. I want it to be easy to get it in and out. So this is our black. I mean, these wires are so big. Kinda stinks, but I mean, if it gives me any problems, I'm just gonna have to go do. That's not nice though. If it gives me any problems, I'll have to go and buy the right wire or something. But I'm honestly, I'm happy. I'm actually happy with this. Everything seems to be good. But what we want to do, let's tape it. Give it a tape. Alright. This actually... Do we want to tape it? Let's tape this. Let's tape this up nice. This way, if I want to take it out, I can just take it out. And this doesn't look that pretty. Honestly, I don't really care. It's not like this is a show truck by any means. I mean, if this truck burned up, I wouldn't even care, to be honest. You know. All right, now maybe I'll do black tape so it don't look so crummy. Well, let's get these terminals hooked up. This is the positive. Well, let's hook our negative up first. I have to take this one all the way off. The negative I can slip on. And we'll do that one last. Slips on there. Tighten it back up. Let's see if it works. If this on, it should come on. Perfect. Perfect. That's awesome. That is so cool. Let's pump some fuel. Hose is stiff, brand new. Cool, it's working. How cool is that? I want to tighten. Honestly, nah. I like it like that. I'm gonna end up tightening that, but for now. I'm gonna actually install this filter. I bought this stuff, plus all the, so this is a filter installation kit. Filter itself, and then there's this, which is in and out, and this is gonna screw on, and this is all to keep the water separated from the fuel or any dirt. You can see it's falling apart. I mean, it's got some miles on it. And then up here, that's actually kind of loose, but and then you can see here is broke. So let's get this off of here. All right, elbow goes on top of the pump. Now you want to know which way you're gonna face this. Say, I like to do it like, yeah, keep it this way.
So we could come out, it doesn't really matter. We could come out over here and just have the hose. That might be better. I know this looks loose, but I don't know. It's not gonna leak or anything, so.
I mean, I don't know. Kind of wish it was a little tighter. So we get the filter on and off, very important. There's plenty of room. Okay. This goes on, oh, that's tight. Now this goes on. Good, don't overdo it. You don't need to. Tighten this fitting. Let's do it that way, actually. I like that. Okay, that's not big enough. This wrench. And there's plastic in there too. That's garbage. Filter out of plastic. All right, should put something on the gasket here. Let's a little access of your hand tight. Make sure it's straight down, which it's not. Swivel goes in. This swivel's from Napa. All this stuff's from Tractor Supply. And this fitting I had to buy from Home Depot. A little bit of everywhere here. Okay, go ahead. There's another wrench in here. You want to grab this. I need the bigger wrench. Grab that with that. This wrench should go on. Maybe on here. Oh, it's not big enough. It's all right. This don't matter because this swivels around, so it's not like you have to line it up. Just get it tight. That's all. Just snug it. It's not gonna leak. All right, that's good. I like it. All right, let's get our hose on. Make sure you get the tape for the fuel too. If you're gonna do it. This is fuel recommended stuff. All right. It's a little pain. You got to twist the whole entire hose over, but it's not that bad. Alright, tighten her up. You're gonna have to hold this, which I have to use the bigger wrench. Okay, hold this, crank it. That's good. I'm not gonna go crazy. Well, I think that wraps today's video up. We have a new hose. We have our fuel filter installed. We hardwired the pump, so I no longer need a battery, need to charge a battery, which is awesome. If you liked the video you see today, make sure you hit the like button, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting more videos, because I plan on posting a lot more, and we have a lot more work to do around here. So I'll see you next time.